Hi, and welcome to the Flux Immersive channel. Today I'd like to talk about the Flux preset manager and in particular the morphing setting. If this kind of content interests you, feel free to subscribe and activate the bell to stay informed of any future videos. The preset manager and the morphing setting can be found in the ePure series, the Solera, the Syrah, the Elixir and the Evo channel. They form an integral part of the Flux DNA. Let's open one of these plugins, for example the Solera. All management of the presets can be found at the bottom of the window. There are two locations for loading presets, A and B. Let's begin by loading one preset in each slot. Now, in order to switch between preset A and preset B, we simply use the morphing setting. So you understand that not only can I listen to my two chosen presets, but also every position in between. Furthermore, the morphing function is not limited to just presets. We can also create different settings in the A and B slots of the plugin as a simple way of making swift comparisons between the different renderings of two treatments. Or we can imagine even more creative uses of this little slider. Let's say that I want to create a telephone effect on my drum bus that will then open before disappearing. So I'll open ePure and create my first filter. I'll now select slot B and enter the final form of my filter. Now I can enable the automation button beneath the morphing slider and enable write automation mode in Reaper. I can now press play and record my automation. Let's switch to read automation mode. We can now listen back to our take. Here I've given a simple example using the high and low pass filters, but we can also imagine a scenario in which an instrument might need two different equalizations depending on the song structure. We can, with the morphing slider, achieve this with ease. Finally, the huge advantage of the morphing slider is of course the fluidity of transitions between presets A and B. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, feel free to subscribe and activate the bell to make sure you don't miss any future videos on our channel. And as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to write them in the comments below.